The focus is on Singapore for international property investors in 2018. We've seen a record number of commercial deals take place in the Singaporean real estate market, and we're expecting it to be a very high range in 2018. In the region of $9 billion was invested in the Singaporean property market from international investors in 2017. Back in 2007, the figure was around $15 billion. While of course today's figures have some way to go, it's nonetheless a positive sign of investor sentiments towards buying property in Singapore. With the economy strong, it is expected that 2017 will be another bumper year for the property market, since investors view Singapore as a safe and secure investment destination, especially with so much uncertainty in other mature markets. The oil and gas sector is somewhat uncertain. Investors are wary of the fallout from Brexit, along with many other uncertainties, and therefore Singapore has something to gain. The world-famous property consultancy firm CBRE have shown that deals over the $10 million mark are attributed to 41% of the total property spending throughout 2016, and that figure was up 62% on the previous year. Some $6.7 billion of the foreign investment was in the office sector, which was 76% of the total investment amount. It is expected that over the next 5 years, we are going to see very little new office space added to the market. Therefore, investors are forward planning against the supply increasing versus higher interest in the rental occupancy. Investors are buying now with the view to profiting from demand increases in 2020, which is when the market is projected to pick up. It must be mentioned that a significant portion of foreign investment went into the Asia Square Tower 1 deal in June 2016. This one deal alone attracted $3.4 billion from the Qatar Investment Authority. FJP Investment have always said a new record land tender of $2.5 billion was made for the new white site in Central Boulevard in Marina Bay. These numbers are mind-boggling and further demonstrate the resilience of the Singapore property market. Investors from overseas have also been active in the residential market. The notable purchase of 2016 goes to Chinese real estate developer Xinjiang Realty with their $638 million purchase of Shunfu Ville, which was made up of a collective sale in May 2016. In terms of foreign direct investment into Singapore, the top 3 countries were Qatar, Malaysia and China for the most investment. It is true that with efforts to slow the property market in recent years, and of course less than average economic numbers being posted, the sector has cooled somewhat. While other markets around the world, throughout Asia, already posting very strong numbers, the Singapore alternative is an attractive proposition on a relative basis. With long-term interest rates being increased, it is likely that investors will be cautiously pricing opportunities. Nonetheless, it is expected that interest will continue to rise throughout 2018. To hear more research and to find out more about our investment opportunities, do visit our website. It's www.fjpinvestment.co.uk.